DEWENWILS 16 gauge, 3-prong. It's a 2-pack extension cord, 10 feet. It's green for your outdoor decorations, wintertime, summertime, plugging in just about anything that needs AC. We're going to show you what the cord is about. 3 plug outlets with the grounds, 10 feet with the safety information, and the 3-prong. You can plug in chargers. They light up, power, and charge. You may extend the plug to 20 feet, pull the power out, and plug in for additional footage, matching the correct polarity. You need to use an extension. Open up, plug in, and extend up to 10 feet. The 10-foot extension cord requires a GFCI outlet for outdoor use. There are many uses for extension cords. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for your extension needs, you have 3 outlets, 10-foot of cord, a 2-package for decorations, heavy-duty work, and more. Chainsaws, table saws, miter saws, lighting, put a radio on, extend your work, run a vacuum cleaner, and more. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for.